Hi guys, my name is Kashika Chauhan. Today I'll be teaching you how to tame down frizz and those baby hair which are like always standing, because accepted our photos are ruined because of these. When our hair look really frizzy, there's like frizz going on here and there. Then we have baby hair always standing and they look really bad. So today I'll be teaching you how to tame down frizz very easily using the Alan Truman hot brush. So this is how the Alan Truman brush looks like. All you have to do is click on the power button to turn it on, and this is how it turns on. And then you can increase the temperature according to your choice or decrease the temperature according to your choice. So once our hot brush is hot enough to use, what we have to do, we just have to go through it just like we use our normal hairbrush, because it's a combination of hairbrush and straightening inside it. The plates are inside between the bristles, it's not on the top, so you can literally touch your hands and it's not burning your hands. So you can just touch it on your scalp as well, and it is completely safe. And this is how you can see the difference between my older standing hair, and this is how it looks like after just one stroke of hot brush. It's very easy to use. Any person can use this, even though you don't know how to handle any kind of tool. You just glide on your hair. And also sometimes we have like frizz right here, so what you have to do from the outside, you don't have to use from the inside, because since most of the frizz is right here. So what you have to do is take your brush like so, very slowly and steady, so that it sits down all the frizz which is going on your hair. And as you can see, the difference is very clear. There are still some of the frizz right here, whereas on this side it's completely tamed down and settled. Sometimes we have really baby hair right here which are really annoying, and what you have to do, we just have to take these new baby born hair sections and you just have to go through them using the hot brush, very slow and steady, and you can see all the baby hair are tamed down and settled. You can go through on your scalp like so once again, so that you tame down all the hair which are nearby to your hair partition, just like so. And in just one or two go, your hair will settle down and frizz free. So that is how you make your hair frizz free and say bye to all the baby hair which are always standing in the pictures. Very easy to use, very quick. You can just carry it in your bag and use it anywhere and you're good to go. You don't need to partition your hair or like make sections or just spend more than 2 minutes. I literally spent like 30 or 40 seconds on the upper portion of my crown area and I'm good to go.